inches.
Whenever I went out today, I was cold.
Yes.
Layers,
Freezing cold.
gloves,
Yeah,
earmuffs,
hat, yep.
mask. Because
I think so.
Look at the air quality
look at
here
that.
at the airport. We are now in the moderate range. And bottom line is there's a, what is that? Anyway, a bird hanging around, and you look downtown and you can hardly see the buildings through all of the haze and the smog. Now, temperatures so far in December have been cold. At this point, we've averaged 24.2. That's 6.5 degrees colder than normal. We should be about 30.7 when you take the high temperature and the low temperature, you average it together. And I was looking at the record books, and it's at least the coldest December in about 5 years, maybe even longer than that. It's not the coldest December on record, but if you're in Ephraim or Green River, you've had several days of nearly 20 below zero. This morning, 17 below in Ephraim. Monroe was 15 below in Afton, 11 below up there in Wyoming in the Star Valley. Richfield, 10 below. Ogden was 6, and Provo, 8 degrees. Now, the air quality from Cache to Weber to Davis and Salt Lake, Utah counties, all yellow, and that condition may deteriorate to red in the Salt Lake Valley by tomorrow and possibly into Tuesday. The good news is we have a couple of storm systems out here. This first one is going to undercut the high pressure, move through Arizona and New Mexico. It'll clip the Four Corners. This high will maneuver north into Canada. This next low pressure, this one out here, that is a potent little storm. It's going to ride up over the ridge and come through the high, and it'll be here on Wednesday. So by Wednesday, the smog, the haze will blow away. Temperatures will actually warm up as the storm comes in. Right now, we're 21 degrees in Salt Lake City, 7 in Vernal, 20 in Price, 33 in Cedar City. Mix of clouds and sunshine, and with the haze and smog in the urban areas, it makes it feel really yucky out there. 29 in Boise right now, 25 in Great Falls, 58 in LA with clouds and a few showers in the California area. We've seen some snow in the Sierra Nevada, also in the Siskiyous of southern Oregon and the Cascades. Some of that snow trying to move towards Wild Horse Reservoir, but doubtful if it'll make it here. You can kind of see there's a little indentation in the flow, and that's a weak disturbance that is crossing into the ridge of high pressure. So as it bulges into the high, it pushes it north. This zone falls apart. Here's the one that's going to undercut, move through Arizona. So the next couple of days, it'll be a mix of clouds and sunshine. Not enough out there to stir things up. Maybe a flurry or two over the basin and these areas that have the cold air trapped around Green River. Yeah, it's definitely going to be cold again, not going to clear all of this smog and haze out. Even on Tuesday, as that storm moves underneath, the flow switches around a bit, maybe a flurry or two around. It's this cold front right here, timing it for Wednesday, and that is going to bring some snow. All right, temperatures below zero again, many spots well below zero. Green River, for example, in Lake Powell. St. George, you're looking for a high of 48, overnight low 28, 17 in Richfield. And for the next 7 days, we'll have a slight chance for a shower Wednesday. There's the new year coming in with a high of 46. 10 in Salt Lake tonight, 26 tomorrow. Logan below zero, 17 for a high. And finally, a little snow on Wednesday. And it's interesting. The snow comes in, the temperature goes up. Maybe a couple of inches with this storm, and another little storm projected for a week from today. And that would be good news. Start to see those storms coming in and build the snowpack, warm us up.
But 10 tonight.
Another cold one in the capital city.
Yeah, all right.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Dan.
Dan.